In last video, we discussed about the basicity of amines. Amines, they are basic in nature because amines have lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom, and as they can donate that lone pair of electron, these are known as Lewis bases. The basicity of amines, actually it should increase from ammonia to primary amine to secondary amine to tertiary amine. That means tertiary amine should be the stronger base. But it is observed that not tertiary amine but secondary amines are more basic in nature, because other than alkylation effect, steric effect also plays important role here. So all these we discussed in last video. Now see the basicity of aromatic amines. Aromatic amines means when NH2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring. Aromatic amines are less basic than aliphatic amines and ammonia, because the lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom is delocalized into the benzene ring. As a result, the lone pair of electron is less available for the donation to an acid, and hence the reaction is shifted towards the left and makes aniline or aromatic amine a weaker base than ammonia or aliphatic amines. See here, this is very well explained by taking the resonance of aniline. Here in aniline, NH2 group is attached to the benzene ring, and the lone pair of electron which is present on nitrogen, it is involved in the resonance and in the benzene ring. So lone pair is shifted from here and double bond open on this carbon. So in this way, lone pair, as it is involved in the resonance, which can be simply represented by this structure, that lone pair is involved in the resonance, and this is the resonance hybrid structure of the aniline. So lone pair is not available on nitrogen for donation to Lewis acid, and hence aromatic amines are less basic even than ammonia and other amines. Now let's discuss some preparation of amines. First is reaction of alkyl halides with ammonia. Now here you can see that amines can be prepared by heating alkyl halides with alcoholic ammonia in a sealed tube. A mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. I'm repeating this part. When amines can be prepared by heating an alkyl halide with alcoholic ammonia in a sealed tube. A mixture of primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine along with quaternary ammonium salt is obtained. The mixture of amines form these amines. The mixture of amines here are formed. You can see here, when alkyl halide reacts with ammonia, first X and H from ammonia is removed and we get here RNH2. Again, when this primary amine reacts with alkyl halide, it gives secondary amine, and when secondary amine again reacts with alkyl halide. Sorry, hydrogen is not needed here. It gives tertiary amine. So in this way, the mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines are formed when alkyl halide reacts with ammonia. Here you can see. Now in this reaction, alkyl halide in excess is used. But if alkyl halide and ammonia are used in a proportion, then the reaction can get stopped at only primary amine. So in this reaction, when ethyl bromide reacts with ammonia, halogen atom is replaced with NH2 and we get primary amine. Here you can see when this ethyl bromide again reacts with the primary amine which is formed here. Here again we get secondary amine and reaction is continued if excess of ethyl bromide is used. So if ethyl bromide is in proportion with ammonia, then reaction can get stopped at the primary amine stage. If excess alkyl halide is used, then here you can see if excess alkyl halide, here ethyl chloride, if it is in excess used, then when it reacts with ammonia, first it gives primary amine. Primary amine again reacts with ethyl chloride and it gives secondary amine. Secondary amine again reacts with this ethyl chloride, gives tertiary amine, and finally tertiary amine again reacts with one more ethyl chloride because it is in excess. Finally it gives a salt. In this salt, 4 alkyl groups are attached to the nitrogen and it is known as tetraethyl ammonium chloride. See here, this NH4Cl is ammonium chloride. When all hydrogen atom of ammonium chloride are replaced with ethyl group, then it is known as tetraethyl ammonium chloride. It is a salt, has positive and negative charge on nitrogen and negative on chlorine. As it is salt, it is called as quaternary ammonium salt. Next is separation of amines from alcohol. A mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary amines can be produced when vapors of alcohols and ammonia are passed over heated alumina at 400 degrees centigrade. Remaining reactions of amines we will discuss in next video.